Hello again, I'm Jonathan Young with Sunstone Engineering, representing the Orion line of products that we manufacture. Really excited to show you our laser welding line. We designed this product with you in mind. Not only is it a great product, but it is designed to be very easy to use and not intimidating for the end user. Reminder, laser uses light. It's focused light that bounces off a series of mirrors, and that focused light generates enough heat that it can actually melt metal. And so that's what this product can do. You can adjust it so that you can do very fine welds, or you can change the focus so that you can do bigger welds that are more surface and for polishing. It's a great machine, something we're really proud of, and I'm excited to introduce it to you. This is the Orion LZR35. The number 35 is in relation to the maximum power, which is up to 35 joules. Remember, we also have a 75, a 125, a 160, and even a 180 joule unit. And future products will be in development that can go even higher at that point. What is a joule? A joule is a measurement of energy, and it conveys information to the end user. Basically, the settings you see here represent and make up what is a joule. First, I'd like to show you some of the adjustments. This screen is unique in that every adjustment you need is on one screen. Other laser welders on the market, unfortunately, you have to panel through different screens. It can be confusing to remember where you are. We designed this with you in mind so that you could see everything you need in one spot. The first thing you can adjust is your power. Your power can go on the low end all the way up to 7 kilowatts. Then you can adjust your time. The time is measured in milliseconds, between 0 to 25. The frequency is how quickly you want that to fire. This can weld up to 30 times per second. The spot size goes all the way up to 2 millimeter in spot size for more surface welds, or you can actually penetrate your piece by very fine spot size measured in millimeters. Gas, if you want it, you can add and you can adjust your flow. These waveforms, normal, slope positive, slope negative, BRD, the pulse, as well as a FDC pulse, can be adjusted in the parameters based on the metal that you're working with. In most cases, I recommend the normal setting. That's the simple screen that we use, but it is a one-stop shop for adjusting every adjustment you'll need for the welder. One of the first things I recommend for people that are utilizing the laser is to get used to using a microscope. That actually is the most challenging part. Yes, you're using a laser beam to melt metal, but the most challenging part can be adjusting for your eyes. The main adjustment you want to make is moving it in or out based on your eye spacing. And what you want to see inside is a very clear crosshairs when both eyes are looking through. Once you can see those clearly, everything else will be fuzzy, that's okay. But see that crosshairs clearly, then you know you have the perfect setting. Now we are ready to weld. Make sure that the piece is centered and in the middle of the crosshairs. Step on the foot pedal. This is currently welding 6 times per second. You can see that as I slowly rotate the piece, that I'm able to create a perfect seam weld in this item. This item is stainless steel, which is easy to demonstrate, but this will work with any metal, silver, gold, platinum, etc.